Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube, man? Hope y'all having a great day today. It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I got a special review today. Actually a shoe that I had for quite a while. I realized after going through my videos, I had never reviewed this shoe, and I think it's a dope shoe. So you know how I do, better late than never. I do these videos for my subscribers, not necessarily to try to be the early review guy and all that type of stuff. I do it for the people that's checking me out, all right? And this may be a shoe that either you didn't pick up and still kind of wonder about, or you do have and you just want to hear my perspective on the shoe. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before we do that, you already know, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think about the review, the channel, what I can do to improve it, whatever the case may be. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, boom. So check it out, man, check it out. We got that Air Jordan box, one of my favorite boxes with the big red Jumpman logo. All right, you got the Nike Air on one end, you got the Nike Air on the other end, you got the, what is this? I almost said elephant print. You got the stone print, cement, there you go, the cement print on the box. So this can only be a couple of different shoes, right? But y'all already know what it is because you've seen the thumbnail. Anyway, we talk about the Air Jordan 5 top 3. All right, so let's check it out. Label on these read Air Jordan 5 Retro, black, new emerald, 5 red, size 11, retail for $200. I did pay $200 on these if I'm not mistaken. Right, some of the details on these may be a little bit off for me, maybe, because this shoe actually came out in June of last year. All right, so pretty much a year ago today, this shoe came out. I was able to get it pretty much on release, if I'm not mistaken. So I never did a review, so let's go ahead and check out the shoe. So pop it up, boom. You got the black paper, nothing major, nothing new. And then boom, we're gonna take the shoe out the box. All right, so boom, check it out. Check it out. Dope shoe, right? Dope shoe. All right, right out the back, I love this shoe because it's an all black Jordan with red. Black, red, Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan, it always all go together. The 5s are some of my favorite shoes. I could go on and on about the 5s. I got the What the 5s. I got the Raging Bull 5s. I got the all suede red 5s, the all suede blue 5s. I got the Olympic 5s. I got the OG platinum black OG 5s. I got the, man, I got so many 5s. You know what I'm saying? I got the apple green 5s. I got the Michigan 5s. It goes on and on and on. So I had to have this shoe. I like the colors. When this first came out, a lot of people was kind of like, they didn't like the color. We're going to talk about the purple tongue. A lot of people didn't like that. Air Jordan 5 top 3 is the name. It's because this shoe is a mixture of a few different shoes. And I want to say it's the Bel Airs, it's the Cement 5s, and it's something else, the platinum maybe. All right, I'm not even sure. Don't worry about it. Let's just take a look at this shoe. All right, the bottom of the shoe, you got that classic Air Jordan 5 outsole with the big Nike sign, and then you got the emerald green Jumpman right there on the top of the shoe, right there, more towards the toe of the shoe. Out midsole, you got the red midsole, which is dope. It really brings the shoe out if you ask me. And then you got the shark fins, or whatever you want to call them, with the cement colorway on the shark fins. I think that's a dope look right there. All right, and then moving up to the upper of the shoe, you got a nice, smooth, quality suede. Right, really nothing to write home about, but it's not bad quality. It seems a little bit better than, sometimes this gets real dusty and weird, so this seems pretty good. I haven't worn this yet. This is a DS pair, size 11. On the right here, you got the red 23. I love that right there on the shoe, of course. And then you got the clear netting on the side of the shoe, and then also for the tongue. Moving up, you got black laces. It comes with a lace lock. On the lace lock, you got black lace lock with like a white or silver Jumpman on the lace lock. I think that comes on the platinum 5s too. And then the tongue, of course, you got the purple tongue with the emerald Jumpman. That's just dope to me, right? A lot of people didn't like that. I like it. Fire red, metallic, grapes. That's what I was trying to think of. So this is a mixture of the fire red, the metallic 5s, and the grape 5s. As you can see on the back of the tongue, you got the information. Like I said, it's been a while, so I kind of have to remember. Inside the shoe, you got the white Nike Air, but on the heel of the shoe, you also got the Nike Air. All right, I love the Nike Air. I grew up on the Nike Air. So that's a dope add-on to the shoe, man. All in all, this is a dope shoe. One of those shoes I kind of forget I even have. Probably why I still DS. Really like the shoe, man. Right now, this shoe is going for $280 on StockX, so the price has gone up. I paid retail, which is $200 plus tax. So, you know, I could sell these shoes and make a little extra money, but I'm not gonna sell them because I really dig this shoe. So, that's pretty much it, man. I'm sure y'all seen these or whatever the case. I just wanted to give you my review, let you know I had these because I almost forgot. But let me know what you think about the shoe. Dope colorway, all black, red, Nike Air, top 3. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this shoe, man. All right, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. It's your man's OG Bo Beats TV. I'm out. Peace.